Skyward stretch for energy flow. Interlace your fingers. Turn your palms upward and slowly raise your arms above your head. Look up at your palms as you stretch. This movement stretches the arms and torso, activates the triple meridian, regulates energy flow throughout the body, improves organ function and relieves fatigue. Arches pose for strength. Assume a horse stance. Push your left hand outward in a 八字 gesture, while pulling your right hand back like a drawing or bow. Cross your hands in front of your chest and return to standing. Alternate sides. This movement stretches the chest and shoulders. Activate the meridians of the upper limbs. Strengthen the upper body and enhance respiratory function. Single arm lift for digestion. Slowly raise one palm upward above your head, while pressing the other palm downward beside your hip. Alternate sides with slow, even movements. These movements stretches the spleen and stomach meridians, improve digestion and relieves bloating. Backward glance for relaxation. Open your shoulders and expand your chest. Turn your palms diagonally backward. Rotate your head to look over your left shoulder. Then return to center. Alternate side. This movement stretches the neck, rotates the arms, activates the governing vessel and meridians of the upper limbs. Relieve tension in the neck, shoulders, and back. Improve head circulation and helps prevent cervical spine issue and dementia. Tail swing for stress relief. Slightly bend your knees. Place your hands on your thigh and lean your upper body forward at a 45-degree angle. Using your lumbosacral spine as the axis, rotate in a circular motion, moving forward, left, and backward. Let your head follow the motion. Your spine gently swings like a tail. Repeat in the opposite direction. This movement stretches the spine, activates the kidney and heart meridian, relieves emotional stress and reduces anxiety. Toe reach for lower back health. Slowly lower your hands from above your head to your chest. Turn your palms upward and slide them down your back to your hips, legs, and finally your feet. Then lift your arms forward and upward. As you return to standing, repeat. This movement stretches the lower back and legs, activates the bladder meridian, strengthens the lower back, and relieves back pain. Fist punch for vitality. Clench your fist and place them at your side, lightly pressing against your ribs. Slowly punch one fist forward with force, while widening your eyes. Alternate sides. These movements activate the liver meridian and meridians of the upper limbs, enhance liver function and boost physical strength. Heel lift for full body balance. Stand with your feet together. Slowly lift your heels off the ground, balancing on your toes. Hold briefly, then gently lower your heels back down. Feel the gentle impact on your spine as your heels touch the ground. These movements stimulate reflex points in the feet and the entire spine, regulate energy flow throughout the body, and promotes overall well-being. Great job! These gentle stretches can help improve overall well-being. Try doing this daily and let me know in the comments how you feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time!